Okay, pretty sure this is lesson 12. It's been a little while since we had a lesson. In that time I lost my real camera, so we have to use my telephone machine, but with any luck we can figure out how to make that work. So what we're doing today is putting this brand new tugboat into the dry dock. The dry dock is partway flooded down. I don't know if you can see the water flowing into the dock there as it drops down, but water's got to come from somewhere to fill the thing, so that's where it comes from. Goes right in the front. It's actually kind of interesting. If you're up there, you can, like you would think, you feel yourself getting sucked into the thing, but we're not close enough to feel that. Anyway, if you notice, wind is out of the south, so that's going to tend to push us north, so Heather's on the north side to counteract that if need be. I'm back here to push it east into the dry dock. There's the helicopter up there for the press coverage of this event. I always like to hire a helicopter to document our exploits, you know, for future generations to really be able to sink their teeth into, as it were. Anyway, so let's see, what lessoning can we do here? So when we're doing this, well, really the only thing is don't crash into the dry dock. I mean, aside from that, oh, and don't get it pointed the wrong way, because these, you know, a boat's hull isn't, well, with a few exceptions, they're not shaped the same front ways and backwards, so when they build the dock blocks for the hull to rest on, the boat only fits one way, so part of our crucial information every time is which way do you want it facing. In fact, that's really about the only information we need, is what time do you want it in the dry dock and which way do you want it facing. Aside from that, I don't really care, because there's really only the two parameters, and then it's up to us to decide, well, we need this much time to allow for, you know, it's kind of windy today, so that'll take us longer, or it's dark, so that'll take us longer, or, you know, we're lazy that day, or Heather's in a bad mood. She's in a bad mood, like, all the time, too. You don't even know. No, she's not. I'm just kidding. There she is down there in her little boat. I don't know if you can see her, but she's down there in the Bandit, doing her freaky thing. And of course, she's done this, like, a bajillion times now, like, almost as many as me, so you don't even have to tell her anything anymore. She just sort of knows what to do. So we got a couple minutes to wait here till the dry dock's all the way down and ready. So with that wind out of the south, and Heather up there, if she holds her end up into the wind, my end's gonna blow downwind like a weather vane. So I've got to keep backing up. It's called backing and filling. I got to back up a little bit and then kick the rudder hard over, shove myself south, but I don't want to do it for too long because I don't want to drive ahead and hit the dry dock. We already covered how you're not supposed to hit the dry dock, so that should sound kind of familiar. And yeah, so that's how we got to do this. We'll sit here and back and fill for a couple minutes, and then we'll get going. And it's time to see how we're turning. I don't know if you can tell from the video there, but I was backing up that time to get some sternway going, and now we'll kick it ahead, and that should straighten us out. I don't know why Heather's pushing so much. Maybe I am going to have to tell her to knock it off, because she's overpowering me with her better vantage point, or her better leverage there. Anyway, well, here's another 4-minute video, so I like to keep them right around 4 minutes, because I get bored talking after about that. So okay, I'm going to go back to driving, and you have a good day. We'll see you.